Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. This is the third video about the Andrej Karpathy's incredible 243 lines of plain Python called microgpt implementing GPT code, the transformer architecture. So last video we saw how temperature affects the generation and how it's able to generate new words which are normal looking. So in this video, what we are going to do is we make a small adaptation so that we can train when we want and we can save the trained model, trained parameters, and then we can load it and infer when we want. So using this, you can experiment with different types of data. Also, I will print the vocabulary so you know what it looks like. So these are all for students of LLM. So the changes I've done are add a function save model, which will save the model in this microgpt underscore weights.pkl, which is Python pickle library, which can save binary objects. So here you can see the saved file. Okay, then of course we will also need a mechanism to load the model into the Andrej Karpathy's variable. Okay, so state underscore dict is the variable that stores the entire collection of train parameters. Okay, so that is one thing. Then here I am printing the vocabulary. This vocabulary also has the beginning of sequence token in addition. Okay. So here len u cards, there are unique characters plus one to include the beginning of sequence. Okay, so we'll print it here. Then what I've done is enclose the training loop into train underscore model function. So when we call this function, training happens. Num steps 1000, same as Andrej. Then a run inference is made into another function. Okay, so here in main, we are setting parameter. If you run this script with -t or minus train, it will do training. -i, it will do inference. So, and you can also specify -temp to power the temperature. Okay, so this section has been added. Clear? So let's run and see it's working. UV run Python microgpt version 3. Sorry, let me rename it properly. And I will make it hyphen. I will provide the link to this. Okay, so microgpt hyphen version 3 -t for train and -i for infer and minus temperature for, say, we will make it 0.2. So see here I'm printing the vocabulary. It is A to Z and almost all alphabets are there plus beginning of sequence. So there are 27 items in the vocab. Okay, 27 distinct tokens. They are numbered in this order. 0 is A, so token ID 0 is A, token ID 1 is B, it goes on like that. So 25 is Z and 26 is BOS. Let's wait. Okay, so model saved, and it has inferred these based on the temperature. Okay. Now, if you want to just infer only, we remove the minus T, and temperature will keep it. Okay. So see 0.2, same temperature, we get the same predictions. Let's change the temperature to 1.0. Okay. And we got another set, and then 0.01. See here, that is no creativity. The link is in the description. Please make sure that you play with this and really understand transform architecture. This is our opportunity. When Andrej Karpathy releases such code, it is all of us to go through it and understand the implementation. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in another video like this. Bye-bye. Want to level up your tech skills without the struggle? Mentor Expert gives you private sessions, expert insights, and real solutions fast. Book your personalized tech breakthrough now.